soul. You bought it back for me and held me high and gave me dignity. Somehow you needed me. You gave me strength to stand alone again, to face the world out on my own again. You held me high upon a pedestal, so high that I could almost see eternity.
Downstairs in the bar and heard your rolled up sleeves and your skull t-shirt. You said, what did you do with him today? And sniffed me out like I was Tanqueray. Well, you're my fellow, my guy. Hand me your Stella and fly. By the time I'm out the door, you tear me down like Roger Moore. I cheated myself like I knew I would. I told you I was stubborn. You know that I'm no good. Oh, the time has come for my dreams to be heard. They will not be pushed aside and turned into your own. Oh, 'cause you won't listen. Listen, I am alone at a crossroads. I'm not at home in my own home, and I've tried to say what's on my mind.
There was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do you? It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major lift, the barefoot gig, composing hallelujah. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight over to ya. Tied you to her kitchen chair. She broke your throne, she cut your hair. I blamed the Lord, hallelujah. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, is bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go and tell me how the alley your ship bare. See how I live with every piece of you. Don't know to estimate the thing that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, is bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling with me almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside your hand, and you played it
your brother, every other undercover telling you what to say. You think I'm stupid, but the truth is that it's Cupid. Baby, loving you has made me this way. So before you point your finger, get your hands off my trigger. Oh yeah, you need to know this situation's getting old, and now the more you talk, the less I can take. Oh, I'm looking for attention, not another question. Should you stay or should you go? Well, if you don't have the answer, why are you still standing here? Hey, 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 just walk away, just walk away, just walk away. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, and it's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and tell me out, and I'll lay your ship bare. See how I live with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, and it's bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of us that keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. I'm rolling in the deep. You had my heart inside of your head, and you played it to the beat.
Can somebody hear me? I'm screaming from so far away. Morning will come you now, the evening is eclipsed again. Wrapped in a polythene, tucked away safe in my mind. A little goodbye, maybe, or just a passing smile. The birds fly away to the southern sky, searching a home. A bunch of paper flowers on a little boy left all alone. Look into my eyes, you will see what you mean to me. Such a heart, such a soul. When you find me there, you will search no more. Don't tell me it's not worth trying for. Don't tell me it's not worth fighting for. You know it's true. Everything I do it for you. Oh, my love, my darling, I've hungered for your touch. Alone, lonely time, and time goes by so slowly, and time can do so much. Are you still mine? I need your love. Oh, I need your love. If I had a hammer in the morning, a hammer in the evening, all over this land, a hammer out danger, a hammer out a warning, a hammer out the love between my brothers and my sisters, yeah, hey, all over this land.
Oh, the time has come for my dreams to be heard. They will not be pushed aside and turned into your own, all 'cause you won't listen. Listen, well, I am alone at a crossroads. I'm not at home in my own home, and I've tried and tried to say what's on my mind. You should have known. Oh, and now I'm done believing you. You don't know what I'm feeling. I'm more than what you made of me. I followed the words you thought you gave to me. Calm yourself.
Oh, know that I must pass this test.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and tell me out and I'll lay your shit bare. See how I live with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. The skies of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The skies of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling.
Standing on a wall, blocked by trees, searching for mom, but none I see. Darkening clouds and tears drop to my cheek. Covered with emotions, pain I see, wiping out past burn, erases me. Trying, pushing, building, I'm falling. Covered with emotion, it tears apart.